Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Noru Kaze mesh jacket. Okay, the Kaze mesh jacket. This is another part of the Noru line. If you've been to our channel or our website, you've seen we've already done some reviews on their gloves and their footwear. It's real entry-level price point stuff, but it's really well executed. Tremendous amounts of value with this. To be fair, this isn't the most technical stuff in the world. This was designed to help new riders save some money, get into the sport a little easier, or budget-conscious riders still be able to acquire good riding gear. Focusing on this jacket right now. The current retail is $79.99 for this. You're going to see a little movement in that price. They're going to have different sale periods throughout the year, right? But for now, it's $79.99. You'll see if there's any adjustments. You'll find those on the website. Let's talk sizing. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds on the money, about a 33-inch waist. I have on a size large right now in this jacket, and I would say I get the fit from this that I would anticipate. Looks good. It's a nice full mesh jacket, summer riding jacket. There is no removable liner, right? This is meant for hot weather riding only. Comes with CE certified armor in the elbow, forearm, and shoulder. All 600 denier fabric is used here in the impact zones, which is really nice. It's got a nice memory foam back pad. It's not CE certified, but it will offer a measure of protection for the rider. Upgrades are available for it. You'll find that stuff in the Noru section if you're interested in it. Zippered hand warmer style pockets, both sides. Uses a heavy gauge main zip. We'll show you some of this stuff in the second part of the video too. Reflective piping is found on the front as well as spanning across the back on the shoulders. Zippered storage pocket here, left breast, great place for say like your smartphone or something you want to keep safe while you're riding. Volume adjustment for the forearm and bicep area, and you'll see in strategic places too, they have some memory foam inserts to support the CE armor that is underneath just to enhance the protection of the coat a little bit. How does this feel when it's on? You know, if we compare this to say a $250 mesh jacket from Alpine Stars, I would say this one feels, you know, just a little bit, maybe just a little bit clunkier, if you will, maybe just a little crunchier, but all in all, it feels good. And when you consider the price point that it sells at, I would go as far as to say it feels amazing. If you like what you see so far, you want a little more info, stay tuned for the second part. We'll take it off, take it apart, and give you a closer look. Okay, the Noru Kaze mesh jacket from the inside out. It comes with a memory foam back pad. There's no CE certification there. There are CE pieces available. Please look to the Noru section on our website. And there's other off-brand stuff too, right? Big names that'll fit in there if you want to upgrade it. CE Level 1 certified armor for the elbow, forearm, as well as the shoulder. Right, it's pretty generic stuff. Shell of the jacket itself got large mesh panels for lots of airflow. Some 600 denier fabric is used in some of the more impact zones, right? Reflective piping spans across the shoulders on the back. Volume adjustment here at the waist is done with textile Velcro and a D-ring. Sleeve of the coat, you can see here in the impact zones, not only do we have the 600 denier fabric, you also have the memory foam inserts to bolster the protection you're going to get from the CE armor that's in the jacket. Entry and exit on this one is managed just with Velcro right here at the cuff. Large mesh panel here on the inner arm. Volume adjustment found here at the bicep as well as down at the forearm to help you really personalize the fit of the coat. Front of it, we've got zippered hand warmer style pockets, both sides. Large opening. Large mesh panel. Some of that 600D fabric, little mesh here again. Comfort lined collar. Zippered storage pocket here, left breast, great place to put your phone. Zip to pants, right? This is a short zip to pants that's going to work with the Noru textile pants. Snap to your belt loop attachment. This just kind of keeps the jacket overlapping your pants, so when you're in the more aggressive riding position, you don't have any bare skin in that area where you're riding. Back protector pocket is right here. Nice mesh liner. Heavy gauge main zip. At the end of the day, right, and like we told you earlier in the jacket, you know, the price on this coat is going to fluctuate a little bit from what I've seen from Noru. Right now, it is $79. It is super cheap, okay? If I compare this to $250 Alpine Stars, is it every bit as good? The answer to that is no, it's not. It doesn't feel quite as mobile as a higher end jacket would, but I have to tell you, for the price, you are getting a ton of jacket. It looked good when I had it on. It felt good. If this is the price range you're shopping in, this brand is going to deliver a reasonable level of performance, a reasonable level of protection, lots of value, and they're also throwing, because it's a new brand, a 2-year warranty to support the rider if in fact you have any problems. They've been building apparel over here at Helmet House for a long time. My expectations are we won't see very high failure rates with this stuff at all. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.